Here, first you go to the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. Command is limits. So take lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210. Then go to zoom on. Then go to line. First we're going to draw the horizontal line. Take some arbitrary point and click on first button of the mouse and drag the mouse to the right side. Take some distance and click on first button of the mouse and drag the mouse to the top side and take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. And then go to offset. Take the distance as 297. Select this vertical line and offset to the left side and take the distance as 210. Select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom extend and zoom 0.6x. Then go to fillet between these two, then fillet between these two, then fillet between these two. Then go to take near to the screen and go to text, specify start point, select some point here, then take the height as 4, rotation angle as 0, type the problem number 161. Then go to a tetrahedron of sides 40 mm is resting on one of its sides on HP. This side is parallel to VP and 40 mm away from it. It is tilted such that the resting side of the base, such that the base containing this edge, it is tilted such that the base containing this edge, the base containing this edge, the base containing this edge is inclined at 30 degrees to HP, inclined at 30 degrees to HP. Draw the projections of the solid. Then go to zoom previous, then go to zoom window, then go to layer, click on new, take the layer name as XY, then click on new, take it as visible edge, click on layer, take it as invisible, and click on layer, take it as axis. Then go to layer 0, set the line weight of layer 0 as 0.05, set the line weight of layer XY as 0.13, set the layer line weight, set the visible layer line weight as 0.5, and then say OK. Set the invisible layer as 0.3, set the layer axis line weight as 0.05. And now we're going to change the line types. Click on the axis line type, click on load, make this as center, click on center, so click on center and say OK. Then take the invisible edge layer as the line type and click on load, type it as hidden and say OK. Click on hidden and say OK. And now we're going to close this. Now we'll go for a polygon. Select three sides, select the edge option, take the some distance here, click on and take the distance as 40. Then go to line, take INT of this and take perpendicular to this, and then you take line INT of this and take perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two, then go to line, take INT of this and take intersection part of this, then you select this, go to change and go to layer, make this as visible layer and then switch on the line weight display. Then go to line, draw a horizontal line and take line INT of this and take perpendicular to this, then go to line INT of this and draw a vertical line and take line int of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to circle, take int of this, take the radius as 40, and then from here you cut it on the counterclockwise direction. Then go to erase, then select between these two and select between these two. Then go to line int of this and take intersection point of this and take int of this. Then go to trim, select between these two, then go to break, select this line and break this till here, and then you select this, go to layer, you make this as axis layer and take this as 10 mm. Then here select on this, you select on this and you select on this and go to layer, make this as visible. Then go to group, select this group and make it as a group. Now we'll go for a copy command. Select this and copy to the next position and go to rotate. Select this, take the end point, take this angle as 30 degrees. Then you just go to move it some distance here and keep it. Then go to line, take int of this and draw line int of this, and then draw line from int of this, and then draw line int of this and draw a vertical line. Then go to line int of this and take perpendicular to this. Then go to line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to trim between this line and this line. Then go to line, take int of this and take int of this and take intersection point of this and take int of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to break, select this line, first point int of this and say at the rate, and break first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point int of this and say at the rate. Then once you do that, so all the exterior edges of the boundaries of the solids are visible. You select on this and you just select this and you select this. Then go to layer, click on visible. Then you just click on this and go to layer, click on invisible, take the line type as 10. Then you escape. Now you just select this, you increase the line type scale factor to 15. Then go to group, select this and make it as a entire in a group. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a vertical horizontal line, and again you take line int of this and take a horizontal line, and then go to copy, select this, copy to the next position, and then go to rotate, select this, take the rotation angle as -90, then offset, take the distance as 40, select this line, then go to move this, then go to move, select this, take int of this and take perpendicular to this and then erase it. Then go to move, select this and place it wherever you want. Then go to line, take int of this and then draw a line from intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two. Then go to line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line int of this and take intersection point of this. Then take int of this. Then take int of this and take int of this. Once you do that, then go to break, select this line, first point you take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point int of this and say at the rate, then break first point int of this and say, select this line, break first point int of this and say at the rate, Now you just click on this, go to layer, you make this as the axis layer, and then select this, you make this as 3, and then escape. Then you select this line, you select this line, you select this line, and you select this line. Select all the lines and make this layer as visible. So once you do that, now you go to break, select this line and you break this, and you select this line and break this. Then go to select on these 4 lines and make that as XY, and then go to DDIM, go to modify, take the primary units as 0, then go to text height as 4, align with the dimension line, take above and offset from the dimension line as 3, go to symbols, take the arrow size as 4, then go to lines, take the offset from the origin as 3, and say OK and say close. Then go to dim vertical, select this line and take this as 40, then dim aligned, select this line and take the distance as 40, then go to dim angular, select between this line and this line, take the dimension as 30, then go to dim TED, select this and you make it as 30 degrees, dim vertical, select this intersection part of this and intersection part of this, and you make this distance as 40. Then go to detext, here you click on X, you mark it as VP, you mark it as HP, and you mark it as Y. Then here put off the caps lock, A, B, C, and here I want O, and here O1 in bracket. Then here you mark it as A dash, and you mark it as B dash, and you mark it as C dash, then you mark it as O dash, and you mark it as O1 dash. Then go to zoom window, then select this, then go to move, take A, put off the ortho mode, you type it A, then you mark this as C, and you mark this as O, and you mark this as O1, and you mark this as B, and here you mark this as X, and this is VP, and this is HP, and this is, you move it as A dash, and you move this C dash, you move this as O1 dash, you move this as B dash, you move this as O dash. Then once you do that, then go to copy, select O dash here, and then you select copy A dash here, then copy C dash here, then you copy O1 dash here, you copy B dash here. Similarly, you come down to this, then you go to copy, select O, copy this here, then you select O1, you copy this here, then you copy A here, then you copy C here, copy B here, then go to zoom previous, then go to copy, select O, copy it here, then copy A here, and you copy O1 here, you copy C here, and you copy B here. Once you do that, then go to detext, and here you copy O1 dash, then here you copy O dash, then you copy A dash, you copy C dash, you copy P dash. Then go to zoom window, select this, then go to move, go to O dash, then click on B dash, then click on A dash, you click on C dash, then click on O1 dash. So once you do that, then go to zoom previous, then go to zoom previous, and then go to move the entire drawing, move to the top side, Then go to save, go to appropriate drive or the directory, and go to solid drawing and type P161 and save it. And finally